which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Category 1. See our best details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. We talk about the amenities of this property. So details will be provided with the ID at checkout. The location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Information of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this property along with various compliance and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe to our channel. You can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property.